In this video, I am going to show you how to change background color in Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website. At first we are going to change the background color of our complete Wix website, and after that we will change the background color of a section. So to do this, open your Wix website editor. Now to change the background color of your complete website, from the left menu just click on this site design button. Now if you want to change the color theme, then you can do it from here, but if you want to change the complete background of your page, then you can select page background from here. And here we have multiple backgrounds that we can use for our page, but we are going to choose a color, so we will select color from here. And now if I select any color, the color of our complete page will be changed. Let's check it out. So if I select this one and then close it from here, and as you can see that background color for our page is now changed. Now if you want to change the background color of any section, just select the section, right click on it, and then click on change section background. Now select color from here, and now you can select any color for your section. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.